Hello and welcome to my scripting tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make tank vid on Roblox. First you wanna make an place or open an existing one. Then you should make a new client script. In fact, those are my favorite ones, because they run on each player's computers, and they're like viruses, you know, you put them on computers and they just run there, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so first you wanna get the camera. It's very important step, because we are gonna break your cameras. There we go. And then we want this very nice service called run service. With this we can bind to render step. That means that I will run a function every frame Roblox is rendering. Okay, this is very complex language, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so those dunk, I don't care, the name doesn't really matter. Then you want to get this enum, it's the render priority. It basically says which, I know, it doesn't really matter, just do it last, I don't care. So, and then this is the most important bit, the function that runs every frame Roblox does. Okay, so then you will want to get each component of the camera matrix. It's very important. This is where the magic happens. And don't be afraid. They might seem complicated, but they're not that bad, you know. Okay, so let's get the easiest ones, the position, and then comes a barrage of interesting ones. There we go. I'm not gonna explain them right now, but okay. There we go. I can't really do this while talking, but I'm doing this wrong. There we go, and there. So you want to have a variable for each of the components. You can just copy it, I guess. Oh, camera.cframe, and ask it to give you components. Okay. Then we will want to make a new C-frame out of these components. Since we will need all of these, you just take and copy them. I won't even bother writing them too. Oh crap, I can't even copy. Too dang for me. Sorry, I'm new to computers, so I'm bad with this keyboard thing. Okay, I usually like to split these things up so you can see these nice rows and columns. This is pretty important when you are working with this. You know, it makes it easier on eyes. Also, we will need to know what time it is, so just assign a time to the variable. Now comes in some math. Don't be afraid, I will just show you how to do the math, but hopefully you will understand something from it. First, you make a sine function. You don't need to know what it does yet. I mean, if you want, you can play around with it and see what it does, but that will do the magic for us. Okay, so we have the t there. Then we want to add 1 to that, and divide it by 0. No, don't divide by 0. Dividing by 0 is pretty bad. You divide it with 2. And you get a value from 0 to 1. Then you will want to split this value in half, because you don't want to go too extreme with this dank. I mean, if you want to go more extreme, you can change this one to maybe like, okay, let's say 2, and then change this one to 8. This will be pretty insane now. Okay, so multiply that with s, multiply this with s, and do that same here. It's important to do it only to one column, and column, not a row, okay? Okay, let's see if it works. I hope it does. Oh, see, okay. It's already looking pretty dank, isn't it? Okay, so next step is to copy the sine function, math thingy, I don't even know, and do it same for cosine. Just change the letter to C and do cos here, and it will be pretty fine, you know. And do it for the y column, see where it's all y's here. Okay. I hope you can understand this tutorial, but I'm trying my best here. And voila, you see, it got even more dung. This is pretty sweet, isn't it? Well, thank you for attention. This has been me, Zars Branchkin. Oh, what the fuck? I'm not used to that name yet, so sorry. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and this video might be a bit late, since, yeah, 420 was yesterday. Sorry, mate.